Hello friends, welcome back. Today let's make garlic pickle or Velthuli achar as called in Malayalam. I have taken about 100 grams of garlic. Mine had small cloves. You may choose garlic with big cloves, which is easier to peel. Now this is 100 grams of garlic peeled and sliced. We will need about 4 green chilies, few curry leaves and a big lemon sized tamarind also. And then we will require 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, half teaspoon of fenugreek seed powder and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now let's keep a clay pot. Add in about 3 tablespoons of oil. I have used coconut oil. You may use any other oil of your choice. Now let's fry the garlic to golden brown. The flame is between medium to high. Keep stirring so that we don't burn the garlic because the flame is a little high. Let's add a little bit of salt to fasten this process. In the meantime, let's soak the tamarind in a cup of water. Let's keep it aside. It took about 10 minutes for me to fry this garlic. I've taken, as I told you, I've taken only 100 grams of garlic. Okay, now I think the garlic has fried well, and now let's just transfer it to another plate. You can see the garlic has turned golden brown, and this is what we actually wanted as well. So this is how it looks. Let us keep this aside and work on the same clay pot with residual oil. We will not need any more oil to make this garlic pickle. Let us add about 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow it to splutter. Okay, now let's also add about 2 dried red chilies. Four green chilies sliced again and few curry leaves also. Saute well and make sure you keep the flame on low. Now next is to add all the masala powders. We will need about 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, about quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and about half a teaspoon of fenugreek seed powder and quarter teaspoon of asafoetida. Now saute it for approximately 1 minute or maximum of 2 minutes, but the flame has to be on low. Do not burn the masala. Now let's add 1 cup of tamarind soaked water. Squeeze the tamarind well and pour the same into the clay pot. Now mix well. Add salt as per taste. Add about 1 tablespoon of jaggery. If you do not have jaggery, you may also even consider adding sugar, but preferably jaggery, and give it a good mix. Allow the mixture to come to a good boil. Okay, now I think it has come to a good boil. Let us now add the fried garlic. Mix well. Boil the mixture for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. We do not want it to be a completely dry achar. We want a little bit of gravy also. Add some more salt if you think it is less. Now I think it is time that we turn off the flame and close it with a lid, and let's open the pot after 30 minutes or so. Okay, so this is the end result. The mixture thickens, and believe me, it is really delicious. You all must really make it and let me know in the comments. It's not very sweet, not very spicy, not sour. The ingredients are just perfect to make it a great pickle. You can relish it along with rice, roti, khichdi or pulao. Thank you.